Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an Information and Communication Technology class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, page number 52, 53 and 54. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 9. Of today's topic subject is ICT or Information and Communication Technology. Topic Chapter 3, page 53 to 54. Sorry, 52 to 54. This is your lecture number 2. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 2 and your homework number 2 also. And you will make 5 multiple choice questions from these pages. Term Annual, Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and my phone number 01735 852285. So in page 52 we will start from the internet and my academic subjects. Perhaps you hear that a teacher is like the flame of a light, and in darkness the candle, the light of knowledge that illuminates everything, and the students see the ways in the light. In other words, the best teachers in the world cannot teach anything, but they can only help the learners to learn everything themselves. That means a teacher is the path shower. They can show you the paths and you have to walk on them. Similarly, access to good content on the internet will not always ensure great learning experiences and sound education for students. The internet only provides them with the opportunity to open a new world of knowledge. It depends on the students themselves how much they learn from it. You must have come across students who waste time on the internet either by playing computer games or by being engaged in social communication sites. By contrast, some students learn computer programming, availing themselves of the opportunity. You have certainly noticed that all of your textbooks are available on the internet. In the beginning of the year, you get the textbooks, but if any book is either lost or damaged for some reasons, you can download it. You will be pleased to know that some enthusiastic educationalists of our country have started making oral versions of the textbooks in soft copies so that blind students can be benefited from these oral versions. NCTB publishes all these textbooks and send it to you free of cost. Besides, many supporting books are also written. We're now talking of the guidebook, books that actually do not contribute to learning. That means there are lots of guidebooks in the market, but they never contribute anything to learning. Those who write these textbooks upload them on the internet. Students can download these books directly from the internet without purchasing them from the market. Many writers of the world have arranged their books to be available on the internet. If you surf the internet, you will get your favorite books free of cost. However, you should be cautious about downloading any book preserved online, keeping in consideration the copyright laws. We know that our students are not satisfied with what they get in the textbooks. Therefore, the open science, mathematics or literary clubs. Once students could participate in the activities of the clubs physically, but now they have access to the clubs virtually open on the internet. Now students of the whole world can participate in the activities of the clubs and increase their academic competence. So this is the summary of this topic is that the internet is providing you all kinds of facilities, either bad or good, and your academic facilities, your academic accessories are also available on the internet. You can waste your time either playing games or being engaged in social networking sites, or you can get opportunity, you can make yourself skilled with the help of internet using the opportunity you have. And you can also participate in different co-curricular activities, and also be the member of different science club, literary club or mathematics club, anything else. Internet is a vast world. You can communicate with the genius people all around the world through internet. My career and ICT. In future, it will be impossible to think of a day without ICT because of the multifarious use of ICT. It will become an important factor in appointing employees, establishing new business firms. You should develop expertise in ICT for your own career. It will be simply impossible to get any job without having the preliminary skills in office software, internet, email, social networking system, etc. The demand of programming, designing websites and expertise in a specialized job like the security of computer, etc. will increase. Therefore, the prospect of ICT as a career is undoubtedly bright. You should give effort in enhancing the skills in ICT henceforth. ICT is a great field for developing career in the world. Computer is the main requisite of ICT. That means if you want to get the opportunities of ICT, computer is a must. And with the help of ICT, you can develop your future opportunity of career. The potentiality of ICT in providing new avenues for numerous computer-related jobs is beyond imagination. Computer science, computer engineering, office automation, system design, artificial intelligence, robotic engineering, mobile communication, data communication, these are only a few of the 1,000 possible sectors that lead to a successful career in ICT. The wide scope of programming is extending in Bangladesh like in other countries. The demand of programming is high right now. Everything is being computerized. Programs are made by software. Different applications of the smartphone are created by programming. The technology advances so quickly that one day the television, refrigerator, air conditioner, etc. of home would be controlled from the office. The mobile devices can detect the symptoms of diseases. The size of electronic devices is getting smaller, but their efficiency and performance are increasing. It will continue to do so. The control of everything from kitchen to satellites will be within the reach of human beings. All will be controlled through computer programming. The efficient programmers of our country are now working for the world famous companies like Google, Microsoft, Intel, Facebook, etc. on freelancing sites. Besides, skilled programmers can open software firms if they want. Programming as a profession has a special importance. There are wide scopes to prove one's efficiency through participating in different online programming contests. Thus, these contests have created opportunities for university graduates from Bangladesh to work in the universities of Bangladesh. Opportunities have been availed such as Microsoft, Google and Facebook. Every year, many of our students, by using their talents, obtain strong positions in these renowned companies. In most of the cases, they do not need to apply for the job. These companies find skilled programmers from different countries. There are other job facilities especially available in the ICT sector. It provides the scope of doing office from home. The renowned companies in developed countries, because of unavailability of skilled workers in their own countries, offer job opportunities to the skilled workers in the developing countries. The workers of our country are of global standard. Now the programmers and other ICT professionals of our country are working through the internet for the renowned companies of America, Canada, Britain, etc. Patience is required for working freelance, and proficiency in the English language is necessary for communication. Besides, ICT provides opportunities for working in computer network. The companies using servers of their own need experts for developing computer network and maintenance. That's why it has a very good prospect in job market. The demand of ICT increases day by day in this age of information and communication technology. It is forecasted that the demand will be doubled in the next 2 or 3 years. Some software companies have already been established in Bangladesh, and they are exporting their software and mobile apps to other countries of the world. It is an honor for us. The younger generation is entering the profession. This sector needs more skilled workers in future. Therefore, the prospect of ICT as a career is undoubtedly bright. You should try to enhance your skill in ICT considering all these factors. So dear students, from today's lecture we have learned that the importance of ICT in our future career life. You will try to skill yourself and you should not waste your time by playing games and keeping yourself busy in social networking sites. There are lots of works in the internet. You can use the internet for your academic purpose, and also you can take from different kinds of co-curricular activities, and also make yourself a skilled ICT expert. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Take care of yourself, attend the online classes, and watch the YouTube classes regularly. Submit your homework. You have to make 5 multiple choice questions from these 3 pages. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.